Hi, we can see now how can install WordPress in our local host. First, you need to open your WOM server or XAMPP server. I want to open WOM server, and this is my WOM server icon. Okay, I wait for its green. Okay, and I just click go to directory and PHP my admin. It's open on Mozilla Firefox. That has PHP my admin, and first I create a database. Go to here, and here I just keep a database name like install WP and create. Okay, install WP. Okay, and we need WordPress latest version zip file that we can download from Google's. Here we search latest WordPress download, लिखे type and search. Okay, we download this file zip WordPress 4.3.1 and again go to www directory and create a new folder. We choose a name like install WP and open this, and we just download WordPress 4.3.1. Just copy and paste here. Okay, it was copying. Okay, this copy. All files and folders we keep on the folder name install _WP, and we just go to Firefox and open a new tab and type here localhost /install _WP and go to this link. Okay, here we need a database name, database user, database password and database host, and a table prefix that auto generate on WordPress database. So let's go. Already we create a database install WP. We can keep this name. Database my database username root, password no password, database host localhost, and table prefix just we keep. Okay, this Okay, submit. Okay, ready to install this. Alright, Spark. Okay, run and install. Okay, now we choose a name for our website. Installation WordPress. Just we need a username. I can give admin and password admin admin. This is confirm password. Email, my email address, and install WordPress. Just I click here. Okay, this is processing to install WordPress on my local server. Okay, a success. Now login my installing WordPress dashboard. So login page, and I can keep here username and password admin. Okay, it's login. Okay, we can successfully go to on our WordPress dashboard, and we want to see our WordPress sites. Just click here, visit site, and it is our a sample site. We can want to change this template and theme. Just go to appearance and themes, and we just want active on other themes. Okay, and this is we reload. Okay, the next theme are activate on our local server. Okay, thank you for watching my video. You can subscribe on our channel and get more videos. Okay, bye bye.